In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change username of account in Windows 11. This is important for personalization, professionalism, and security. A customized username better reflects your identity, which can be crucial for both personal and professional use. To do this, simply head to your search bar and type in Control Panel. On this page, click right here on Change Account Type. Select the account you want to change. You will then click on Change the account name. You will just have to name your new account name and click on Change Name. Your name will get changed successfully. This name will always appear on the welcome screen and on the start screen. That's how easy it is to change account name on Windows 11 operating system. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.